Muraho neza nshuti bakunzi mukunze kudukurikirana aha kuri uru rubuga rwa YouTube channel yitwa Liberty Speaking TV. Amazina yanjye nitwa Uwingabiye Jean de Dieu, umwarimu wanyu w'indimi zitandukanye. Bibutse yuko abantu benshi cyane bamaze kutubwira ko aya masomo amaze kubafasha. Hari nk'umunyeshuri guturuka mu gihugu cy'Ubufaransa watubwiye ko igiswahili cyamufashije. N'abandi tukeneye kubumva bo mu rurimi rw'Ikinyarwanda. Reka uyu mwanya nkangurire umuntu wese ubashije gukurikira rino somo aribwo bwa mbere kutibagirwa gukanda subscribe hariya hasi kugira ngo ubutaha amasomo azabashe kumugeraho. Ndetse mbakangurira no kwibutsa no gusangiza inshuti zanyu aho muherereye hose kugira ngo nabo bazabashe gukurikirana aya masomo yacu y'indimi. Reka noneho uyu munsi tubakangurire isomo rishyashya. Tugiye kwiga isomo rya kabiri ry'Ikinyarwanda rikurikirana n'isomo ry'ubushize, aho mugiye kubona ibiganiro bitandukanye ndetse n'amagambo mashya. Reka dutangire. Shuti bakunzi, uyu munsi tugiye kwiga ikibonezamvugo, grammar. Grammar means ikibonezamvugo. To those who don't understand Kinyarwanda, I'll be reading Kinyarwanda, but make sure you read the English context. Reka dukomeze. Inshinga kuba mundagihe. Context. Njyewe Alphonsine ndi umwarimu w'Ikinyarwanda. Wowe Lili uri umustagieri. Tubibutse ko ijambo umustagieri ari uwimenyereza umwuga. Nicyo Kinyarwanda cyemewe. Mupemba we ni diregiteri wa stage cyangwa se umuyobozi wimenyereza mwuga kandi ari mu biro. Explanation. The underlined words represent the verb kuba, to be, conjugated in simple present. Notice that they change with the personal pronoun with which they are used. Njyewe ndi umwarimu. You can also drop that I and say ndu mwarimu. Wowe uri umustagieri. You can also drop the I and say uru mustagieri. We ni diregiteri. We ari mu biro. You can also drop that E on we and say wari mu biro. Let us look at the verb kuba is an irregular verb. When conjugated in simple present is done like this. Let us look at personal pronoun. These are the following personal pronouns: n, u, a. And the root for verb to be is ri. That arrow becomes d when it is followed by n. So, instead of reading nri, you pronounce ndi. But for the rest, you should pronounce that ri. Although in English you pronounce rai, you say ri, uri, ari. But on the third person singular is ni, which means is, ni. The third person singular with the verb kuba has two conjugations. Number one, ari, used when talking about location. Ni, used when talking about characteristics. Examples. Mupemba ari mu biro. Mupemba is in the office. John Reddy ari Kigali. This is pronounced chi, Kigali, like ni chi, chick. Ari Kigali, ari Kigali. John Reddy is at Kigali. Johnny ni muremure. John is tall. Alphonsine ashobora kwiruka vuba vuba. Alphonsine can learn very fast. Let us look at linguistic functions. Greetings, or Gusuhuza, in other words, is indamukanyo. Greetings for when people meet for the first time or after a long time of time, or a long period of time. Muraho, this is what we say when you meet after a long time. Muraho, the first person raises the intonation. Muraho, and the second lowers it. Muraho. Muraho means you are there. Greeting for when people meet in the morning or before noon. Iyo abantu bahuye mu gitondo. Mwaramutse. Mwaramutse. That mwaramutse means aramutse. That aramutse means wake up. And that mu means you. You wake up. Greeting for when people meet in the afternoon or in the evening. Mwiriwe. Remember to raise the intonation when you greet the first person. Mwiriwe. The answer, mwiriwe. Greetings to be used any time of the day or night. Komera. Ndakomeye. That means be strong. And you answer, I am strong. Let us look at bidding farewells. Gusezera. Farewell in the time you don't think you will meet for a long time. You say, murabeho. Murabeho. Farewell to be used in the morning till evening. Mwirirwe. Mwirirwe. That RW pronounced rgwe. Rgwe. Mwirirwe. Farewell in the evening is muramuke. Muramuke. Let us see how to ask for the news. Kubaza amakuru. Amakuru ki? The answer. Amakuru ki means what's news? The answer is ni meza. Good news. Ni meza. Bite means what's up? And answer ni byiza. It's like how is it? Then it's good. Ni byiza. Not. If you want to sound formal, use the plural form. Example, informal here is uraho and the formal muraho. Waramutse, mwaramutse. Wiriwe, mwiriwe. Wirirwe, mwirirwe. Okay. Let us try to match each word with the corresponding image. Do you remember what I told last time? Try to match. What is number one? Is it mwarimu? Umushoferi? Umurobyi? Umuhinzi? Umutetsi? Or umuganga? Try to match the activities or the professions with the materials. For the first one, compare your answer to what I'm going to give you. Gerageza uhuze igisubizo cyawe n'icyo ngiye gutanga. What can you see is number one is umushoferi. Umushoferi. That means a driver. Number two, is that umwarimu? Does the symbol shows that the profession is umwarimu? Let us see. Compare your answer to mine. Let's go. That is umuhinzi, from a verb to dig or cultivate. Umuhinzi is a farmer or cultivator. Number three, if you look at this food, what does it tell you here? Umwarimu? No. Umushoferi? Umurobyi? Umuhinzi? Umutetsi? Umuganga. Nizere ko wasubije. That number, the picture of food means umutetsi. Someone who cooks. Someone who cooks food is umutetsi. Next, when you see that material, that tool for the, what does it tell you? Does it tell you umwarimu, umushoferi, umurobyi, umuhinzi, umutetsi, umuganga? Wow, I think it is the one at the last, at the end. Umuganga. The next one, umuganga. This shows that this is used by umuganga. And who is the next? For the fish, which profession is there? For the fish is umurobyi. Here is umurobyi. You can see umurobyi here. Umurobyi. And the next, when you see those people sitting in such place, what does it tell you? Let's come up. It tells us umwarimu, a teacher or someone who teaches. Now, this is the end of grammar practice. So, next time you can do this as your homework. Fill in the empty spaces using the verb kuba conjugated for the appropriate person. This is your homework. Next time in the comment, you can tell me your answers. Barack Obama perezida. Wowe umunyeshuri. Wowe mwishuri. David Petrius muri Iraq. Michael Jackson umuririmbyi. Mpemba mu biro. So, this is your homework. Isomo rya kabiri. Kubwira undi abandi. Imibanire y'abantu n'abandi. The English is there for those who don't understand. Muri iri somo tuzigira hamwe kubwira inshuti ye abandi ukoresheje interuro zikwiye zivuga amazina n'umurimo mu Kinyarwanda. That is number 1. Gusobanura umurimo we mu Kinyarwanda abwira umuntu ubimubajije. Ndetse gusuhuza umuntu mu Kinyarwanda ukurikije igihe nyacyo. Gusuhuza umuntu mu Kinyarwanda akurikije igihe nyacyo. Last, kubaza ibibazo ku murimo w'undi muntu n'ibimuranga. Let us look at motivation scenario. Kayitesi ni umukozi wa Piscops. Ari kumwe na Betty umustajeri umenyerezwa umwuga wa Piscops. Basuye Maria wiganye na Gatesi. Gatesi arabwira Maria uwo Betty ari we. The English is there. I hope you've read. Dukomeze. Let's continue. Karibu. Muraho? Muraho, nimwicare. Murakoze. Uyu mushyitsi yitwa Betty. Ni mugenzi wanjye, ni umunyamerika, ni umustajeri umenyerezwa umwuga wa Piscops. Betty, utuye he? Ntuye i Butare. Ufite abana bangahe? Sindi umugore, ndi ingaragu. Ni byiza turishimye. Turatashye murabeho. Murabeho, murakoze. Different corners. Cultural circle. Let us look at different notes. Mu muco nyarwanda birasanzwe kubaza umuntu niba yubatse cyangwa umubare w'abana afite. It's normal in Rwanda to ask about marital status or the number of children. Iyo umuntu w'igitsina gabo abwiye umukobwa cyangwa umugore amagambo yo kumushima, wambaye neza, uri mwiza, kenshi abashaka uburyo bwo kumutereta. Men compliment, you are well dressed, you are beautiful. Women as a way of flirting. Medical corner. Nta banga umuntu agira imbere ya muganga. Ibibazo byose byemewe kubazwa no gusubizwa. There are no secrets with doctors or nurses. All questions are allowed to ask and answered. Nta muntu uvuga uburwayi bwe keretse iyo akeneye ubufasha bujyanye no kwivuza. One doesn't talk about his or her illness except when he or she needs medical help. Let us look safety and security square. Kubaza ibibazo bijyanye n'ubuzima bw'umuntu ku giti cye ntibihungabanya umutekano w'umuntu. Ntimugahite mutanga igisubizo nyacyo. Asking personal questions doesn't disturb one's security. At the same time, don't be direct when answering personal questions. Akenshi ibibazo bijyanye no kumenya niba umuntu yubatse cyangwa atubatse biba bifite ikibyihishe inyuma. Often questions about marital status have the underlying meaning. The person would like to know your marital status to start flirting you if you are single. Take corner. Abanyeshuri bashobora kubaza ibibazo ku buzima bwa mwarimu wabo. Abanyeshuri bashobora kubaza ibibazo ku buzima bwa mwarimu wabo, amashuri yize n'ibindi. Ni ngombwa kwitegura kwibwira abanyeshuri ku munsi wa mbere winjiye mu ishuri. Students may ask questions about their teacher's life and studies. Be prepared to introduce yourself on your first day in a classroom. Language tips. Ijambo umuntu wanjye rigaragaza ko hari isano cyangwa ubushuti bwihariye hagati y'uvuga n'uwo muntu. The expression umuntu wanjye, my person, shows that there is a close relationship or friendship between the speaker and that person. Let us look at exploitation. Vocabulary. These are the nationality vocabulary. Amazina y'ubwene gihugu. Umunyamerika, American. Umunyarwanda, Rwandan. Umurundi, Burundian. Umugande, Ugandan. Rule. Nationality is formed by umunya plus the name of a country. Examples: Kenya, umunya Kenya. Rwanda, umunya Rwanda. Canada, umunya Canada. Rule. Countries starting with ubu replace ubu with umu. In Kinyarwanda, the countries are started with ubu, but the nationalities is started by umu. Uburundi, the people, umurundi. Ubugande, people, umugande. Umugande is a person from Uganda. Let us look at other words. Andi magambo, other words and expressions. Karibu, come in. Nimwichare, please sit down. Umushitsi, a guest. Mujenzi, colleague. Umustajeri, or umenyerezwa umwuga. That is an intern. Umugore, spouse or woman. Ingaragu, single. Uwashatse, married. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy it. Mwakoze cyane gukurikirana isomo. Aha niho dusoreje, naho ubutaha. Isomo ryacu risoreje ahano, ariko reka tubibutse ko mwasangiza inshuti zanyu nabo bakazabasha gukurikirana aya masomo. Niba rero bwa mbere nawe ukurikira rino somo, tukwibutse gukanda subscribe, share ndetse na like. Ubutaha tuzakomezanya n'andi masomo menshi. Yari mwarimu wanyu bakunda Uwingabiye Jean de Dieu hano muri Liberty Speaking TV. Ndabifuriza ishyano.